Hello students, welcome to computer class. Now today we are learning chapter number 5, the second part, applying formatting effects. Correct, some more elements we are going to learn. But before that we will revise whatever we have done in the earlier video, that is part 1 of applying formatting effects. Now in this many things we have learned. So first one was slide master. How to create a slide master, how to edit the slide master, how to create a new custom layout. Okay, how to change the background for that, and how to change the background for slides, colors, and all that we have learned. How to apply formatting effects for the text, and how to give indent. All that we are going to revise first, and then we will learn new things in this chapter. Okay, now slide master. That slide master means this is one element from where it can control all the slides from the presentation. Okay, now slide master sets the default layout and formatting for all other slides. It actually controls the entire presentation. Any changes made in the slide master automatically reflects on every slide in the presentation. Slide master consists of two placeholders, that is slide master title and title placeholder, and the body text placeholder. Here it is shown. Now we have to give the formatting effects for the slide master. How to edit the slide master? For that you have to open the slide master view. Click on the slide master button in the presentation view. Okay, from the view tab, and after that you can edit the slide master. You can give different colors, you can apply different themes. Okay, all this you can give header and footer for the slide master. So all that which is given in the slide master slides, it will get reflected on the whole presentation. Okay, now whenever you want to come out of the slide master, you have to click on the close button of the slide master, which is shown in the first screen here. After that, suppose you want to create a new custom layout for the slide master. Okay, for that you have to click on the view tab, and then you have to click on the slide master option. This is one way. Another way, you have to click on the blank layout, and you can set the things according to your choice. The title placeholder you can set, and the remaining placeholders which you don't want. Suppose you have taken title and the content placeholder layout like this, then suppose the extra placeholders, that is a header and footer and time and all that, if you don't want, you can delete it by just clicking on the border of it. Like this you can customize, you can create your own custom layout. Okay, after that, changing color scheme. If you want to change the color scheme, that is also possible. For that you have to go to design view, click on the themes, and here you can change the colors, you can change the font and effects. Now after that, suppose this you want to apply for the whole presentation, apply to all slides, this option you select. Otherwise select the option only to the selected slides, that is also possible. Now changing background color, this also we have learned. For the particular slide, if you want to change the background, see, go to design tab, and then in the here background style option, can you see? Click on that background style option, you'll get some more menus, and out of that you can change the background. Suppose you have inserted one shape using fill effects. Suppose you have inserted, this facility is available while when you are entering shapes, different shapes in the presentation. First, you can go to insert menu, and through that you can insert shapes. After inserting shape, when the shape is highlighted, selected, you will get the format menu. From that format menu, you can change the settings for that particular shape. Means you can feel the different colors in that. You can change the background, you can change the outline of that figure. Okay, you can give different effects like 3D effects, rotation effect, or some other effects you can apply. And same way in the texture of the shape also you can change by giving gradient or solid fill. In that solid fill, full color, or select gradient option, mix color you can give, or you can change the texture. You can apply the full picture also as a background for the shape. So many things are there, all that we have learned. Okay, after that we saw applying formatting effects and indents. Applying formatting effects for the text, that is through home tab, clipboard group, and the font group and paragraph group. We can change the font also. We can change the font itself, font size, font color, then alignment of a font, and then we can give the effects bold, italic, underline. These effects also we can give for the text. Now, what about indent? Indent means the space which is left for the edge of the page and the margin. That is called the indent. We can change the indent of the first line of the paragraph also. Okay, that also we have learned. Now, in this part 2, we are going to learn something new, that is adding a table. Now, how to add a table? Table means what? A tabular information that also you can add in the presentation. But how to add that? For that, first go to Home tab, click on the New Slides, and select the layout as title and contained. Now, in the contained, it will show you the icon of a table. Click on that icon, and then what will happen? A table dialog box will get open. Through that you can insert the rows and columns in which way you want, how many columns, how many rows, that you have to specify. After specifying that, a Excel spreadsheet will get displayed on the slide. Means you will get a cell, you will get the interaction of columns and rows. Correct? Now here you can enter the data, how you are entering in the Excel spreadsheet. Okay, select the first cell, enter the data in that, then press either enter key or left arrow key, right arrow key, and move your cell pointer to another cell, enter the data in that. Like that you can go on entering the data in particular cells. Correct? Now after that, after entering the data, you can apply different tools for the table. Where these tools are available? Whenever you are inserting a table in the PowerPoint, two different format table tools, not format, table tools are getting displayed on the ribbon. That is, design tab is there and layout tab is there. In the design tab, you can change the design of the table itself. See here, the first one in the first screen, it is design tab is marked with the red rectangle. There you can give you can feel color, border you can change, and the effect also you can change. Okay, for this a table design. And layout means the actual table. See how you want. If you want to insert one particular this column or one particular row, or you want to give the title for the table, all that is possible. Or you can change the paint color, paint style, you can split the cells, you can merge the cells. All this is possible through layout tab. Okay, so this way you can decorate the table, you can make it more attractive. Now after that, suppose some charts we want to insert in the table. Charts means what? It is a pictorial representation of the data. Means what? It is very much catchy information. Whenever you will look at the chart, you will come to know the things better in a proper way. So it is a pictorial representation of the simple data. Now chart is an effective way to display the data in a pictorial way that I told. Charts make it easy to show comparisons and growth, relationship among the values and trends in data. When you insert a chart, the data is displayed in the special window called data sheet. A charts get updated automatically with any change in the data. Correct? Now chart sometimes looks like this, but there are different types of charts that we are going to learn. Okay. Now how to insert a chart? For that, charts and its components. First I'll explain this and then we will see how to insert a chart. See here, numbers are given. Like this numbers only I'm going to explain. Now first one, that is chart area. Now this is the chart area demarcated. It includes the complete area and all the objects in an chart. Now number 2 is at the bottom. See, category axis. Category axis or x-axis is the horizontal axis. The matter that is compared and presented in the chart comes under it. Now third, that is the value axis. The y-axis is the vertical axis which is used to plot the values. Now the fourth one, see, it is the actual bar. These are the bars, slices or the other elements that shows the data values. Correct? Now the fifth one, these are the labels displayed on the x and y axis. Now sixth one, see here, sixth one is on the top. It is a window within the chart area. It contains the actual chart itself and includes plotted data, data series, category and value axis. Seventh one, legends, which is used for what? That is explained. It depicts the colors, patterns or the symbols assigned to the data series. All this you should learn properly. So whenever you will make charts, all this you should see whether it is coming properly or not. Now how to create a chart? For that again, click on Home tab, New Slides and select the slide layout as title and content, and in the content it will show you the different icons. Out of that, click on the chart icon. After that, clicking on the chart icon, select the chart. Whenever you will click insert chart, that time it will give you this dialog box. Out of this, you have to select one type of chart. That is either, there are basically four types that we are going to learn. But what is shown, that is a column, line, pie, bar, area, all this. Out of this, select any one type, and in that type also again sub options are there, how it looks like. Select any one out of that and click on OK. Now there are different types of charts. Okay, basically we are going to learn the four types of charts which are shown in the book. First one is column. It displays the data in the form of vertical bars. Then second one, it displays the data in the form of, means there are many types. One by one we are going to look. Now this is column chart. See, in the chart, insert chart dialog box, it shows you the column option. See, these are the vertical bars. Okay, the data is shown with the vertical bars. Now there are different charts, types of charts. We will see one by one. This is bar chart. Again, it displays the data in the form of long rectangular bars that are placed horizontally. In the column chart, it was vertical. Here it is horizontal. This is the main difference. Then the third type is line chart. The line chart is shown with the dots joining the lines. It displays data in the form of lines. Okay. Now next is pie chart. This chart displays the data in the form of a circle. It divides the circle according to the data given. Slices of the circle is made. Different parts of the circle is made and shown like this. This is a pie chart. Okay. So basically these four charts we are going to learn, or we are going to have the examples, or we are going to have the practicals for this four types of charts. Okay. Now changing the chart type. Suppose once you have selected the chart, afterwards you thought, I want, instead of column chart, I want bar chart or line chart or pie chart. That is possible. For that, click on Design tab and then click on the Change Chart Type button in the Type group in the Design tab. So after that, like this dialog box, you will get open. According to the list, check which type of chart you want and click on that type. So your chart, suppose it is column chart, it will get converted into a line chart or bar chart or pie chart, whichever you have selected. Okay. Now how to format the chart? Now what is formatting? We can format the chart to add title, change the text, font, line color, width, border style, legends, data series, etc. When we insert a chart, three new tabs will appear on the ribbon. That is format, design and layout. Contains various chart tools. These three tabs contains different variety of tools. Out of these tools you can format the chart. You can change the data series, means color. You can change the legends. You can give titles to the chart. Okay, you can edit the data also. You can change the type of the chart itself. So many things you can do by using these chart tools. Correct? Now after that, suppose we have done everything. We have done slides, we have changed the background, we have formatted the text, we have changed the indent, then we have inserted a chart, we have inserted a table, and now at the end, suppose we want to print the chart, we want to print the presentation. This facility is available through Office button. For that you have to click on the Office button. See here it is shown with the red arrow on the top, and then out of that you select print option. After clicking on print option, a print dialog box gets open. See here, print dialog box is open in front of you. Now in the name box, you have to specify the name of the printer, or suppose 2-3 printers names are given, you have to select the proper printer which is attached to your computer. Then print range, see the second red arrow, from the top it is second red arrow. Print range means suppose the document is very big, and out of that if you want to print 2-3 pages only, or the current page only, accordingly you have to specify how many pages, or the current page, or the number of pages in between you want to print. Then print what? Print slides you want to print. Sometimes you can give the notes also to print, but here we want to print the slides. Notepad is there, so out of that you can take the notes also, the printout for the notes also. Here we want to print slides, that you have to specify, and after selecting everything you have to click on the OK button. So you will get the slides print out on the paper. Okay, now quickly we will revise. In this applying formatting effects, we have learned how to create a slide master, how to customize the slide master, how to edit the slide master, then how to change the background for the, how to change the colors also and the background for the slides, that also we have learned. Then after that we have learned so many things, that is how to enter a table. in the slides, how to enter a chart in the slides, okay, and how to take the printout for the slides. All this we have learned. All of you revise all this, and whenever you will get the notes for this chapter, try to complete the question answers, and whenever you will get the worksheet, try to solve the worksheet. By then, thank you.